In kindergarten, you didn't tell your teacher you wanted to be a product marketing manager? You're not alone. Many of us didn't know these jobs existed back when we were choosing what to be when we grew up. And new roles are getting created every day. There aren't degrees for many of these jobs.
We've seen a lot of people waste months of their life applying to hundreds of jobs with a spray and pray approach. They don't know the difference between a customer success manager and a manager of customer success, a product marketing manager and a product manager.
We are going to give you the industry insider's view into the roles that exist and explain personality traits and transferable skills that match each one.
Because if you're thinking of leaving a role, it's probably because it wasn't a good match for your needs. So this time, make sure that you understand what you're getting into so that you can make an informed choice about your brand new career.
Join us on this journey as we explore the opportunities in front of this community of fellow career transitioners so you can find the right tech job for you.